Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So, are you ready for an exciting journey though India's top 3 architectural marvels in the world of luxury hotels? These iconic establishments are not just symbol of premium hospitality but also stunning showcases of our rich heritage and the timeless Indian legacy. Join me as we explore how India warmly welcomes its guests of honor, blending elegance with tradition in the most extraordinary way. So let's dive in. Are you ready? So without further ado, let's get started with the Taj Hotel. So, the iconic Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, or popularly known as the Taj Hotel, located in Mumbai, was opened in 1903. It was built during British rule and aimed to showcase Indian hospitality and grandeur. The hotel played a significant role in India's independence history, serving as a meeting place for freedom fighters and dignitaries. As you can see, its architecture seems to be so mesmerizing. The hotel is a blend of Indo-Saracenic revival style combining Islamic, Indian and Renaissance architecture. As I'm the one who is so fond of architecture, just loved it. The iconic dome is influenced by European architecture and is one of Mumbai's most recognizable landmark. The hotel features hand-woven carpets, big chandeliers, showcasing Indian craftsmanship. So the person who played a significant role मतलब इट्स ब्यूटिफुल और इट्स एपिक के पीछे अगर किसी शख्स का हाथ है तो इट्स डेफिनेटली all credit goes to Jamshedji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group. The story goes that Tata decided to build the hotel after being denied entry to a Watson hotel because he was an Indian and the hotel was established by a British. So वहाँ पे restricted था कि Indians are not allowed at that time. So he decided while this is one of the cited at the prime reason, the decision was also driven by Tata's vision of creating a world-class institution that would embody Indian excellence and hospitality. Though the hotel faces lots of ups and downs, and the Mumbai terrorist attack is one of the most famous attacks that the hotel faced. However, associations that hold control or take care of it, it's Tata Group's Indian Hotels Company Limited. IHCL oversees its operation and ensure its luxury standards. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel is considered one of the best hotels in India due to its rich history, world class service, and architectural grandeur. It remains a symbol of Indian hospitality and culture, regularly ranking as one of the top hotels in India. The hotel has consistently been awarded for its luxury, services, and iconic status, attracting tourists, dignity, and celebrates from around the world. So yeah, on number second we have Oberoi Uday Vilas, opened in 2002, making it a relatively modern addition to India's luxury hotel scene. The hotel is situated on the banks of Lake Pichola in Udaipur. It's really mesmerizing and eye-soothing, which was once the hunting ground of Mewar royal family. The property is designed to reflect the rich history and grandeur of Mewar region, combining traditional Rajasthani architecture with modern amenities to create a luxurious retreat. Although relatively new, Oberoi Uday Vilas has quickly become synonym with royalty, luxury, and world-class hospitality. It's a must-visit, guys. इस केस में जो क्रेडिट जाता है वो जाता है P.R.S. Oberoi, the current chairman of the Oberoi Group, was instrumental in shaping the Oberoi Uday Vilas into the luxurious destination in its today. His vision was to create a palace-like experience that would set a global benchmark for luxury hotel. On the other hand, Rai Bahadur Mohan Singh Oberoi, the founder of the Oberoi Group, laid the foundation of luxury hospitality in India, which was carried forward by his successors. His philosophy of service and luxury is evident in the Oberoi Udayavilas. देख सकते हैं आप कितने ब्यूटीफुली हर एक चीज़ को डिपिक्ट किया गया है थ्रू पिक्चर्स, थ्रू सिंबल्स एंड कैसे नेचर के साथ कंबाइन किया गया है. तो यू कैन जस्ट स्पेंड टाइम विद योर लव्ड वंस हियर एंड यू डेफिनेटली क्रिएट मेमोरेबल मेमोरीज हियर. So yeah, on number third we have Umaid Bhavan Palace in Jodhpur is one of the world's largest private residence, is a part of which operates as a luxurious hotel under Taj Hotel. It was commissioned by Maharaja Umaid Singh in 1928 and completed in 1943. And yeah, here it is. Makrana marble, the same marble used for the Taj Mahal. So associations that hold control or take care. A portion of Umaid Bhavan Palace is managed by Taj Hotel, a division of the Tata Group. The Taj ensures the whole portion remains on the top luxury destination globally. The rest of the palace is still in the control of Jodhpur royal family. Has been awarded the title of world's best hotel multiple times thanks to its luxurious offering and historical significance. So yeah, let me know what's your opinion about this palace. I just love to hear your opinion as well.